Good evening, dito po tayo sa Barangay Tuba, Inter-Barangay Basketball Tournament. Ang maglalaban ay Villa Dionisio versus San Rafael. Kailangan bumawi ang San Rafael dahil panalo na yung Villa Dionisio yung nakaraang counter nila. Kapag natalo sila, wala na sila sa championship.
May mga disorder na in-order kita yung mga officials. Okay, last game between
Finals for 3.
San Rafael versus
Open category.
Indonesia. Victor.
Villa Dionisio is Plamig Pro. Start of the first quarter. Good luck, player.
First five to the center. And players, Leo Blancos, Aritos, Colintas, Pulseras, Boletas, Leo Blancas, kasi makarabitas dyan. Kung may ginatago-tago mo dyan, please, pass ka na.
Kita binitahan nyo dyan.
Mga amang nyo, surinder nyo.
Focus nyo. Ay, siap na. Ano ba kayo?
First five, San Rafael. To the center.
Good evening sa mga lahat na taga Barangay Tuba. May home barangay.
Good luck in your game. Right, ready.
Opening play for jump ball.
Let's open the queen, number 09.
First quarter.
Number
Jump ball.
number 7 of San Rafael.
Nasa red jersey ang San Rafael, blue jersey Villa Dionisio. Nasa San Rafael ang
Number
bola.
2, that's it, number 0 of San Rafael, Jay Paclauna, number 7. Number 7 discarded to number 2. 14 to
They
shoot.
shoot. 3 points by San Rafael.
Para na ba?
Well, number 26. Indiana, number 13.
Kailangan bumawi ang San Rafael.
Discarded to number 11. That's si Cabangas. 14 to shoot. Then, intercept again by San Rafael, number 25. Long pass to number 0. No good.
good.
Number 7 again. Paclauna.
2 points by San Rafael.
7.
Pakalma na ka.
Number 11. Discarded in Haras. Shoot number 20. Number 20. 14 to shoot. Shoot number 20 again. Shot clock 10. There is
There's
a
a
whistle.
foul. Or there's a whistle.
There is a whistle again. Another foul by number 26 of San Rafael.
Jersey
And
number
8.
26
Of Ipuro.
San Rafael and number 8
Oh,
of Ipuro. Double foul.
Same ball. To shoot. Then to shoot.
Grabin. Pinasa.
5 and 3 seconds violation.
3 second violation of Villa Dionisio.
Alright, to rebound to number 26.
Wow.
Number 26 to the dot. Number 26. Intercept by Pro. Number 11 to number 11. To number 13, Emiada. Emiada to 11. Tries for 3.
No good.
No good. Rebound by the ball. Number 7, Paclauna. Number 7, number 7, Dinire.
Grabin. 2 points by San Rafael.
7-0 ang score. San Rafael.
Score 7-0 in favor of San Rafael.
Pass to number 08. 14 to shoot. Then to shoot. So, Namiana.
No good.
Intercept by number 7, Pacolinag. Oh, not. Same ball.
Ready? Ano na rin yan?
Same ball again, San Rafael. Set number 2.
No good.
Again, Robert Cabarrera, set number 13, Empiada. Empiada, let's go, set number 8, Cabarrera. Intercept by number 25, intercept by Empiada. Number 13. Sheet number 8, Cabarrera, passing number 11, tries for 2.
Point.
Sheet number 26 from San Rafael. 7 minutes 30 seconds. 2 points by number 26. Again, 7 minutes. Number 20 to number 13 from there. By number 20. Sheet number 09. 13 to shoot. Sheet number 8 from yes. And to shoot.
No good.
Intercept again by Pagkaunag, number 7. Number 7, Dinerezo, 2 balls by number 7.